What's up everybody, welcome to Matty's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be playing with one of these. It's a Spiralizer. So we're going to test it out, we're going to see what kind of things will spiral and hopefully make a couple of nice meals with it. I'm going to do a few different things. I'm going to make a main meal using just spiralized things, and then I'm going to make a dessert as well because I've got a good idea for that. So let's go try it out and see what it's like. You'll see this box is very light. That's because I've already unboxed it. It's sitting in the kitchen. So let's go. So that's it. That's your Spiralizer. It's got lots of different parts. There's the doofer that you put the vegetable on, and then you cram it in, and it spiralizes it. I guess it comes out the bottom. It comes with two different grindy bits, so two different blades. You can do different sizes, so we'll try both sizes and see what's what. Try a few different veggies, on and on switch. So yeah, we'll give it a go, we'll see what happens. I just need some vegetables, so let's start off. I want to make some spirally chips, so let's go see if we've got some potatoes. Hey dude, what are you doing with that onion?
Hey now, this isn't what it looks like. For the heinous treason of consorting with an onion, I, King Spudley, King of Nottingham, hereby sentence you to death by spiralization. Oh, please don't take him away from me! No! Please, you don't have to do this. Your Majesty. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll never see her again. I'm sorry. Ah!
Alright, that's enough of that. Well, that worked a charm though. That went really, really well. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at all that potato. It's perfectly spiraled as well. Look at that. That's awesome. Yeah, I think what we'll do, we'll pat that dry with some paper towel to get it nice and dry. And then we'll sprinkle it with some seasoning in that, and we'll bake that along with some of the other stuff. So let's have a look and see what other vegetables I got and see if they will spiralize. Okay, so I'm not going to do the obvious things here and do a cucumber. You know, that's easy. That's going to go in. Cucumbers are soft. That's going to go through dead easy. So I'm going to try some different vegetables. I've chopped up an onion. Well, I haven't chopped it up. I've removed the skin. I might have to trim that down a bit to get it to fit in the slot. And then I've got some pepper as well, which I'm going to try and see what happens to that. So let's give it a go. Let's try the pepper. I'm just going to drop it in and see what happens. Nothing so far. What if we press it? Doesn't really work, does it? Let's try a different approach to this. Let's get a bunch of pepper in and see if maybe just having lots in there helps it to do its thing. Now let's try again and see what happens. Well, it sort of worked. Kind of minced it all up and kind of squished it. It's all just sort of squished in the top here, which isn't great. So let's go with peppers. Not a good fit for the Spiralizer, but we're still going to eat them nonetheless. Okay, let's try this again with an onion. I've had to trim it down a fair bit to get it to fit, so we'll just have to try it and see what happens. Here we go. I'm using the thinner slicing one now because the big one needs clean now. So we'll try some thin slices of onion, see what happens. Alright, onion boy, let's go. Oh! Look at that. Look at that. And now I've got an onion cone. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at all the onions. Yeah, that's perfect. That's brilliant. The only problem I'm seeing here, of course, is I've got this cone, which Don't know what I'm supposed to do with Bennett, or I'll probably just chop it up and chuck it in there with the strings as well. Now I've got all the stuff that I had to trim off as well, which kind of defeats the purpose. I mean, if you're putting in long things, fine, but anything else, it works. I mean, don't get me wrong, it does work. I mean, look at that. Those are perfect spirals and they're still going to be yummy. But yeah. Let's try something different now, something non-vegetable, something that would be a good accompaniment to our peppers and onions and our potato. Okay, so we're going to put something long and meaty in our Spiralizer. It's sausage! I got a smoked sausage earlier on. We're going to try spiralizing that and see what happens. Better grab the tub. Put that under there. Let's see how this goes. We're going to use the thin one first, and then I'll try the thick one and see what the difference is, if this even works, that is. Ah, shit! Okay, maybe just have to place it in, like, slowly. Oh, is it going in? Is it spiralizing the sausage? Kind of. It's mushing it. Ah, shit! That's not working. Well, that's what happens when you spiralize a sausage. It did kind of work, sort of. It's not. I think it's not firm enough. Maybe if we put it in the freezer and do a frozen one, that would work. But pretty much all I've got is just sausage mush. May have to rethink this. Okay, I think that maybe the fact that there was a bit of onion still in there maybe stopped it from going through smoothly. So I've got the bigger one this time, the bigger slicer, and we're just going to try it again, and there's been nothing else going through it. I cleaned it, so let's try this and see what happens, although I'm reckoning we're going to get about the same results. Go slowly so as not to mush it. That worked out okay. Oh, look at that. Spiralized. Spirally sausage. Woo! That actually worked really well, although, what's that bit from? I think that might be from the last one. And there is still our wee sausage cone in here as well, but that's cool. We'll cook it anyway, that's not bad. So we'll jumble this all up with our peppers and onions, put them in like a dish or something, and then we'll cook them. What I'll do is I'll prepare that just now, and then... Oh, look. Twirly. Is that going to unravel? No, it's just a big lump. We'll prepare that just now. Start that getting ready. And then we'll come back and we'll do some fruit. Because I'm going to do a nice dessert tonight. Using the Spiralizer. So, yeah, let's go cook this up. There you go, that's all our stuff spiralized. I added a bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper just to all this stuff to make sure it all goes nice and crispy and cooked through. The sausage, I've just kind of put in the big lumps as well. But we've got the spirals, the potato spiraled really well. That's our onion pine cone that we had, and then obviously the onions and peppers. So I'm just going to put this in the oven, probably be about 15 minutes, maybe 20 at most. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it and see how it goes. But it all should cook fairly evenly because it's all pretty much spiraled the same way, and I don't care about that cooking all the way through anyway because you can eat that as it is, it's already cooked. So okay, next up we're going to do some fruit because I'm going to make a wee crumble. What I've got here is an apple. I've had to cut it to shape, as I've seemed to have to do with a lot of things in this, because this tube just isn't very wide at all, so it's kind of annoying. But yeah, there's a lot of wastage there. I mean, look at all that apple that I've had to trim off, and there's tons. But yeah, we're gonna try this and see how that goes. I've got another fruit as well, which should work a lot better. But let's go. Let's let's try it. It does say in the instructions if you're doing an apple not to core it, so see what happens. Alright. Well, there you go. That worked really well. Yeah, quite happy with that. The apple spirals, yeah. We'll go with that. The rest of the apple we'll just sort of cut up and we'll use it as well because we don't want to waste it. Cool. Right, I'll give that another quick wee clean and then we'll get our other one, which should work. We'll see. Okay, I'm hopeful about this one. This here is a banana. Now I did with this what I probably should have done with the sausage, and I put it in the freezer. Shit, this is going to turn into mush. I just know it. It's not really even frozen through. We'll try it anyway. We do it for science. Just got to do it slowly. Oh shit. Yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, maybe if I let it freeze longer or taken it out of the skin before I put it in the freezer it would work better, but look, we've basically just got banana mush, which is fantastic. I'm still going to use it. We're still not going to waste it. I mean, at the end of the day, it is still just banana, except it's mushed up a bit. So we're going to mix it in with the spirally apple, and we'll use that for a wee banana and apple crumble. Should still be quite nice. And that there is what a crumble looks like before it goes in the oven, apparently. I've never actually made a crumble before, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm kind of just winging this, so don't copy what I'm doing. If you want to make a good apple crumble, I suggest you know, look one up, because I'm sure there's a million people that can make this better than I can. The thing I noticed though about the apples was when I sort of put it in there and sort of mixed it up with the sugar, it unspiralized. It really just all kind of broke apart, so spiralization didn't really help here. I could have just chopped them up, but hey ho, still going to be delicious anyway. So I'm going to have dinner first and then we'll make that. Ooh, you can hear it sizzling. All looks pretty well done. The sausages definitely do. The potatoes, they're not very crispy. Probably could have done them longer, maybe I should have deep fried those, but we'll eat them anyway. Oh, sounds nice. You can get some of this on the plate. Potatoes. Quite a lot of oil at the bottom there though. It's okay. To be honest, this all kind of just looks like mush. There's our onion cone, which kind of just, yeah, cooked okay. Let's see. Spiralized sausage meat. Yummy. I don't know how well this works. It doesn't look very appetizing, to be honest. It just kind of looks like a mess. I suppose that's probably because the sausage didn't exactly spiralize, and neither did the whoops, dropped it on the floor. Neither did the pepper. But let's go eat some. Right, well, we're just going to enjoy some of this while the Potato King presides, Your Majesty. Oh yeah, that tastes like peppers and onions, alright. I like the way the onions have gone because of the spirals. The thing is with onions, if I'd just cut them up they would have went like that anyway, because onions are already round and they're already round on the inside, so spiralizing the onions is probably not worthwhile. Tastes good though. Sorry Potato King, I'm not a potato, so this isn't cannibalism. You want to try some? No? Okay. Kinda wish the potatoes were crispy. They're still cooked. They're okay. The oil and the peppers kind of made them taste nice, but I kind of just wish they were crispy, you know? The potatoes worked really well, I have to say, in the Spiralizer. Look at that. Proper spirals. Really cut it into shreds, which handy if you want to make stuff like these shredded potatoes. Let's try some of the sausage. See what spiralized sausage is like. Mmm. Now that has gone really crispy. Mmm. It's nice. I like that. Mmm. That's interesting. Put that on a salad or something, it'd be quite good, or I don't know, on nachos. This is just obviously a chunk of sausage, which is still nice. Cooked through. I don't know why I'm making this video, this is so stupid. Try a mixture of all three. Yeah, good stuff. Well, just gonna finish all this off then. This is my dinner for tonight, so have a list and then we'll make crumble. What should we have? Should we have custard or ice cream? Is it too much to ask for both? Alright, our crumble should be about ready. Ooh, steamy. Oh, look at that. Oh, doesn't that look amazing? Oh, it smells so nice as well. It smells like apples and bananas and goodness. God damn it, I am shit at making custard. Okay, presentation may not be my forte, but god damn, this smells amazing. Let's jump right in and have a wee taste, shall we? Yeah, so I really fucked the custard. A bit thinner than I normally like my custard, but still tastes nice. Maybe use a bit less milk next time. And I made a pint of custard because that's what the instructions say. I don't need a pint of custard just for me. But anyway, this is a bite with the custard, bit of crumble in there and some apple. That is so good. Oh, and the banana adds such a nice dimension to it as well. Oh. It's so sweet and delicious. To be fair, I put, all in all, there's about 4 or 5 tablespoons of sugar in this, which is a lot. Oh, the ice cream, even with the ice cream as well, so nice. Oh, right, well, I'm going to go and destroy this because this is so good. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching Matty's Kitchen. This was a bit of a weird one, I know. The Spiralizer, I suppose, as a thing, is kind of crap. It doesn't do a lot. It spiralizes stuff. I mean, for the potatoes, maybe to make curly kind of chips, curly, really thin chips, it's kind of cool. Maybe it'll make salads look quite nice if you spiralize a cucumber, but beyond that, it's not very useful. And it takes ages to clean as well. It's a real pain. There's loads of different parts. You have to clean all the different parts. It's just not worth it. Just fucking chop stuff. But yeah, that'll do. I would suggest don't get a Spiralizer unless you can get one for free like I did. Yeah, I'm just going to absolutely nosh this because this is amazing. Spiralizing the apple didn't really make a difference. And as you saw, the banana was just turned into mush. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the bell, hit subscribe, like the video. I'd happily listen to all that jazzy stuff. And I will catch you on the next video.